In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to convert WhatsApp chat message to PDF. So in WhatsApp, there is no direct option to export your all chats to PDF, but you can follow my all steps very carefully to easily make a PDF from your WhatsApp chat. First of all, go to your WhatsApp and go to the chat, which chat you want to export as PDF. Then tap on this three dot and tap on more and tap on export chat and select if you want to export your chat with media, then select include media, or if you want to export without media, select without media. So in my case, I'm selecting include media. And now here we have to select Google Drive option. So now we will upload the file in our Google Drive. So you can rename the file here. You can select a Google Drive location, and you can also choose your Google Drive account. Then tap on upload. Once the file uploaded, go to your Google Drive app and make sure you have selected the exact account in which account you just uploaded your WhatsApp chat file. And here is the chat file. Now it's time to download this chat file. So just tap the chat file. Tap this three dot next to the file and tap on download. And we can see the file successfully download. Now let's go to our files app, going to downloads, and here is the WhatsApp zip file. Now just tap on that to extract the zip file. Once the file successfully extracted, here inside this folder you will find this WhatsApp chat.txt file. Now it's time to convert this txt file into a PDF. To do that, on your phone, just open a browser and search for text to PDF converter and open any website. Choose file and here select from device. And now just go ahead and select the text file and here select output PDF and then tap on convert. And once the file successfully converted, go ahead and download the file. Once the file downloaded, again go to your My Files app, navigate to download folder, and here we can see the chat PDF file. Now tap on that and select opener. I'm selecting Google Drive for example, and here we can see the WhatsApp chat successfully downloaded, and here we can see this is a chat.pdf file. Thanks for watching.